Okay, so I got sine theta, I've got an equation, I'm going to put it equals 0. So sine theta minus tan theta equals 0. So change sine theta into sine theta over cos theta. That equals 0. And I can't divide through by sine theta, but I can factorise sine theta out. So I get sine theta times by 1 minus 1 over cos theta. That equals 0. And I've got something times something is 0. So either the first one's 0, either sine theta equals 0, or 1 minus 1 over cos theta equals 0. Sine theta equals 0, then that means that theta equals sine to the minus 1 of 0, and so theta equals 0, or 180 minus 0, what's 180, and each of those repeats every 360 n degrees. Or this one here, I get 1 equals 1 over cos theta. So cos theta equals 1. That's timesing both sides by cos theta. So theta equals cos to minus 1 of 1. And so theta equals 0. Or indeed minus 0 plus 360 n degrees. So actually, we've got everything already. And so therefore, theta, again, look at my range, 0 to 360 inclusive. So it's 0. Or 180, or 360 degrees. And that's done part A. And now part B I'll do in red. So B, 2 minus 2 cos squared theta equals sine theta. There's other ways you can see what's happening here, but I'm going to do 2 minus 2, and because it's sine theta, I'm going to change cos squared theta into 1 minus sine squared theta, and that equals sine theta. That's unchanged. Multiply the brackets, 2 minus 2 plus 2 sine squared theta equals sine theta. 2 minus 2 is nothing, so I get 2 sine squared theta equals sine theta. Get it all onto one side. So 2 sine squared theta minus sine theta equals 0. Now I can factorise it as I did before. So sine theta, and that'll be 2 sine theta minus 1 equals 0. Something times something equals 0. So therefore either sine theta equals 0, or 2 sine theta minus 1 equals 0. So that says that theta equals, we've done that before, 0, or 180 minus 0, and each of those repeats every 360. Or 2 sine theta equals 1, so sine theta equals a half, and so theta equals sine to the minus 1 of a half, and so theta equals 30 degrees, or 180 minus 30 degrees, and each of those repeats every 360 n degrees. So now we can work out what we've got here. Theta equals, first one we've got is 0, second one we've got here is 30, next one we've got, that's 180, that's 180 minus 30, that's 150, next one here is 180, and finally that'll be 390, it'll be 0 plus 360 is 360, so all 360, and those are all 0 or 30 or 150. Okay, that's that done. To green now for C. I've got tan squared theta minus 2 tan theta equals 1. So I'm going to put down minus 1 equals 0. Factorise this. So tan theta and tan theta. To get 1, it's got to be, can only be 1 and 1. One's positive and one's negative. That's not going to factorise. So I have to use the formula. Or I could complete the square, but I can use the formula. So tan theta, because it's basically a quadratic in tan theta now. So I could put down let y equals tan theta, y squared equals tan squared, but I can go straight in here. So tan theta equals minus b, so that's 2, plus or minus the square root of b squared, that's negative 2 squared, which is 4, minus 4 times a is 1 times c is negative 1, all over 2a, which is 2, and that equals 2 plus or minus 4 plus 4 is root 8 over 2, which equals 2 plus root 8 is root 4 times root 2, so that's 2 root 2 over 2, and so that equals 1 plus or minus root 2, and so theta equals tan to minus 1 of 1 plus root 2, or tan to minus 1 of 1 minus root 2, and so theta equals 67.5 degrees, and tan repeats every 180 degrees, or that is theta equals minus 22.5 degrees, and that also is tan repeats every 180 degrees. And so we've now got theta is, the first one we've got is 67.5, or next one we've got ends 1 here, so that's 180 minus 22.5 is 157.5 degrees, or 180 plus this, which is 247.5, or finally ends 2 here, that's 360 minus that, which is 337.5 degrees. And finally we're going to go to purple and see if we've got enough room to do this last one, D. I've got sine 2 theta minus root 3 cos 2 theta equals 0. So what I'm going to do here, I've got to link them together. If I divide by cos 2 theta, then I'll get tan theta. So I'm going to divide everything through by cos 2 theta, and sine 2 theta over cos 2 theta is tan 2 theta minus root 3, because cos 2 theta divided by cos 2 theta is 1, and so that minus that equals 0. So tan 2 theta equals root 3. So 2 theta equals tan to the minus 1 of root 3. So 2 theta equals that's 60 degrees, and that repeats every 180 n degrees because it's tan, and so theta equals 30 plus 90 n degrees, and so theta equals, could be 30 or 120 degrees, or that'd be 180 plus 30, 210 degrees, or that'll be 300 degrees, and that's just filled in, and that's done.